to this quick review of the Lego Friends set 4 1 3 3. I'm not sure what the set's called, so I have a name on it, but it's a little dog show set featuring Sky, the little doggy Sky there. Okay, so I will just show you what you get in the box, then do a little time lapse of me building it, and then just review what you get in the set. Okay. So, get one bag of Lego there, one bag there, the instruction book, and that's everything. So when it comes together, you'll get a little seesaw, a little hurdle, a little flag, a little hoop, and a little dish with some dog treats on, and a little doggy. Okay. These are the bags of Lego you get. Okay, there we go. So we've got this little hoop with a burn treat for the doggy to jump through, like so. You've got a little flagpole, which is probably just for, you can just use it as a little marker or as like a finishing post. You've got the little doggy treats there, the ball. Got a little hurdle to jump over, but not knock off. And you've got a little seesaw for the doggy to head up and across. Don't send the doggy rolling away there. Okay, so that's a nice little set there. It normally retails at about £3.95, but I managed to find it on sale at Asda for £2. So if you see it, it might be a nice little treat just to pick up. I'm hoping to do more Lego videos like this in the future. Please let me know what you think in the comments section. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll be back with more good videos. So thanks for watching. Bye.